Meet the BraunAbility Chrysler rear entry minivan, the ultimate blend of style, space, and accessibility for families and caregivers. Backed by 50-plus years of BraunAbility expertise, you'll experience an extra-wide, easy-lift manual ramp and maximized doorway height. The 34-inch ramp and 56-inch entry make getting in and out effortless, even for larger wheelchairs and scooters. Inside, you'll find expansive cabin space and flexible seating options. Whether you need to secure 2 wheelchairs or accommodate more passengers, the Chrysler rear entry adapts to your needs. Safety and comfort come standard. The ramp's 2-position latch eliminates rattles for a quieter ride, while advanced weather stripping keeps the cabin peaceful. And with rear entry access, you're no longer limited to accessible parking spaces. Park almost anywhere, hassle-free. Engineered in partnership with Chrysler, every component is built for reliability and quality. Backed by BraunAbility's Built to Trust promise, this minivan empowers independence and confidence on every journey. BraunAbility Chrysler rear entry. More space, more style, more freedom. Discover mobility without compromise.